So you've just gotten your KCSE results and everyone is asking you which career are you going to do, which course have you picked. You actually don't have to have immediate answers. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can choose the best course for you after receiving your KCSE results. Welcome to EduSens Africa. This is where we talk to you about your education and your career path. We help students decide on the best courses they can go into, and we also share with you opportunities that can help you realize your career dreams. The first thing you need to do to choose a course that actually aligns with you is understanding yourself. It's very, very important that you understand yourself first. What are your likes? What are your dislikes? What are the things that you see yourself doing in the long run? And forget about your friend, your neighbor, your sister, your brother, your parent. Forget about what everyone else thinks you can be or what everyone else wants you to be, and focus on understanding yourself. This is a very, very crucial part, because at the end of it all, the course you are going to study and the career you are going to do it for yourself and for the rest of your life if it all goes well. So make sure that you take time for yourself, understand what your likes and your realities are, and from there, go to the next step. This next step is actually analyzing your KCSE results. By analyzing the results, I mean, don't just look at the general grade. Either if you got an A, a B, a C, try to look at each subject by subject. What did you get in maths, in CRE, in science? What are your best subjects? How did you perform? Compare this with how you performed and how you experienced this subject while studying them in high school, because sometimes we can get grades out of one exam and these grades may be worse than what you expected or much better than what you expected. But when you are studying it, maybe you don't enjoy the subject, maybe you will rather finish and get finished with it. So don't look at only the overall grade. Let it not lie to you so that you choose a subject that you never liked in high school, because at the university you're still going to face it head on by studying what it entails, doing more examinations, and actually working in these fields. So make sure you analyze your results one by one so that when you learn in a specific career, it is something that you are going to enjoy and you are going to thrive in the long run. Now, the third thing that I'm going to tell you about is very, very important, and I help people do this right on this channel, and this is researching on careers before choosing them. If you've looked at your results, you've looked at the options that you have, and maybe you qualify for 2-3 things that are also your interest, kindly research on that career before you can settle on a course that you are going to study for 2, 3, or even 5 years. It's very important to research, because when you research, you get to know the reality of it all. You can talk to people who've been in these careers. You can enroll in short courses to discover specific career paths, and I offer these courses right on my platform, EduSensAfrica.com. I have a website where I bring you a 3 weeks, very simple, short courses to understand specific careers. For example, currently I have a free course that I'm offering on my platform, and this course is about geospatial science or geospatial engineering. I help you to actually understand the ins and outs of geospatial engineering before you can settle on studying it, which usually takes you between 3 years and 5 years, especially if you're doing the engineering course. Currently, it's being offered free of charge. If you think that you want to study geospatial engineering, I'm going to link my website in the comment section and in the description. The website is edusensafrica.com, but I will link the specific page where you are going to find this course and you enroll on it. I'm not charging anything at the moment, it's free of charge. If you're not interested in geospatial, there are many more courses that you can do, and you actually don't just have to go through my platform. You can do your research elsewhere. Go to YouTube, go to Google, talk to people, approach people who have actually worked in these sectors or are working in these sectors currently, and they can be able to tell you more about the courses before you settle on the specific course that you are interested in. Number 4 on the list is you need to actually look at the market demand and how that career is performing currently. There are so many courses that are on offer at our universities and our colleges in Kenya, But then if you look at what this course is supposed to bring you in future, which jobs you can apply and so on, some of them you'll find that they do not have market currently. It's very important that you choose something whereby once you study, you understand, and you get the practical skills needed, you will easily land a job because the job is available. Many people do courses just because they want to go to university, to college, and to finish school without thinking about the future, which is the most important thing. You want to get into a study for something that will get employed and get a job, or for something that will create a job yourself. So make sure that you look at the market demand, and I've also made a video about the current careers this year 2026 that are actually trending that you can get into and you'll be guaranteed of getting a job. Make sure that you watch that video because it will give you ideas of what you can do if it aligns with what you are looking for. The fifth and very important thing you need to do is to explore alternative pathways. I can't emphasize on this more because most people just think about the university or maybe college for a diploma and for a degree. But then there are very many pathways in which if you miss the university cutoff points, you can be able to do the same thing in a different institution that will accept your marks. Maybe you might take much longer, but at the end of the day, you will do what you like and you will end up in a career that aligns with your passion and aligns with what you are looking forward to do. So if today you've not gotten the A that will take you to Nairobi University, for example, look at TVETs, look at online courses, look at short certifications, for example, because this will expose you to the market. It will help you understand, maybe if I didn't qualify to go to the university, I can do ABCD and I will add 2 years to it, but eventually I will get the course that I really want to get into for the rest of my life. So just remember, there are different pathways to get to the same goal, and look out for them, especially if you don't qualify for the first choice or for the second choice. Before I share with you the last point, which is very, very important, kindly consider subscribing to EduSens Africa because I share with you such videos where I guide you about how you can choose career paths that align with the things that you like. And I also bring you opportunities for funding, scholarships, studies that you can do. I break down the different courses that are available and the different career paths that are available. Kindly take a moment and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified and you can come to watch it. Now, the sixth and the last point I have for you is make sure you seek guidance. That I cannot emphasize it any further. Make sure you seek guidance before choosing a course because sometimes you are in a rush. You think KCSE results are over. I really need to quickly choose a course and just go to the university without actually thinking and taking that time to reflect and to seek guidance. Try to get a mentor. You can ask your parents. You can ask people who've gone ahead of you. Just remember that let them not control you. Let them not tell you what to do, but let them guide you. Because when they guide you, they will be showing you their experiences. They will give you pathways where you can go and explore for yourself to find out if it actually aligns with you or if it doesn't align with you. I hope that the points I've shared with you have been helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you on the courses that you have chosen, on the grades that you have gotten, or if there's any specific career that you want me to break down for you or to explain how it works, where to study, and so on. Feel free to comment in the comment section and I'll make a video and explain it for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.